Hi Brion, it's me Abdus Salam once again in front of you, and I hope that all of you are fine. I'm also doing well, and after a few days later, I'm making on blog video in English. Okay, so now I'm standing here, and as we can see, actually I'm standing our village behind site and beside the paddy field. And look, there are so many type of plants, and now I can see uh, there are so many air and another so many type of plants. Actually, I don't know. So as we can see, and another side there is a wall and already like construction work already completed and there is a on dead trees dead tree. So and another side, look, the sun shine actually so very awesome, and so shadow also I can see. And now evening time, now it is time actually 4 p.m. and so like this way. And dear friends, if you speak English, like if you are a beginner learner in English, and you can also this method use when you speak English in beginner learner, and you can follow this way, like this way, and you are making video in your around, like when you see any kind of like moment, and you can use this type of methods like this. Okay, so if you are a beginner learner in English and you practice practically, and when you are a start in your journey in English, and first things, if you listening every day, and also if you practice regularly, and you have to make blog video in English, and what you see around in your environment, and if you go to like any kind of place, and you have to make video, and your environment like agricultural work, like paddy field, and working and working, so many kind of things, if you describe in English and easy vocabulary use when you are a beginner learner in English. Okay, so I am also apply this type of things. Okay, so I have so many friends and asked me, "You are a very slowly speak English when you are make video." And yes, I am making blog video and learning English video very slowly when I speak English, because I'm a beginner learner, and my viewers also comment me I am a beginner learner in English. So I am make video in very slowly, because slow English video, and it's very essential because it's understanding, like beginner learner understand this type of video. Okay, so that's why when I make English blog video, that time I am slowly speak, because I am also English learner. I am a beginner learner. Okay, so every day new vocabulary, and apply this new vocabulary when I make blog video, because nowadays I have mobile, YouTube, internet, so many things, and so actually very helpful for YouTube, like ChatGPT, and so English application use. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.